Hi guys and welcome to TechBased. In this video we're going to talk about the latest Windows 11 Insider preview build for the beta channel, which is the build 22635.5025 for version 23H2. The beta channel still has a part which is on 23H2, but most likely next week hopefully we will see the beta channel move on permanently to 24H2 and the dev channel to 25H2. But in this video of course we're going to talk about this build for the beta channel. I can assure you that this is a quite interesting one because it has a few new interesting features that we're gonna cover in this video. So if you enjoy videos like these, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. So let's begin with the video. First of all, in this build, Microsoft is announcing that the new recommended files in File Explorer in the homepage are now available to all Windows insiders who are signed in with their personal Microsoft account or even their local accounts. These files will provide quick access to relevant files based on the activity that you have in the recommended section, and this will include content such as files you frequently use, have recently downloaded or added to your File Explorer gallery. Users that have a work or school account will have additional types of recommendations available with this update. This change is not rolling out yet to the European Economic Area, and also quick access folders will continue to be available in the navigation pane for easy access to pinned folders. We also have an interesting change or feature that is tested by Microsoft related to the start menu, and they are trying out a change where they will recommend a snap group in the recommended section of the start menu based on two apps that are most likely to be snapped together. So this is quite interesting. For example, if you've used File Explorer and Settings or Paint, Notepad or something like that, the start menu will start recommending that, and if you click on that, those apps will be opened and snapped together based on your recent activity. This is quite interesting. Also related to the search on the taskbar, Microsoft is adding the improved support for web search providers in Windows Search for the European Economic Area, including with increased discoverability. Now moving on to the biggest feature of this build, in my opinion, it is a feature discovered by Phantom of Earth on Twitter or x.com, so make sure to check him out for hidden features like these. This is a hidden feature, as I've said, and it's pretty big in my opinion. What we're gonna do to test out this feature is we're gonna go and select an image or a picture and then share it. If I'm gonna click on share, we're gonna notice that the top thumbnail or preview now has a new option, which is edit photo, with a drop down that will let us edit or compress that photo whenever we are trying to share it. I think this is quite interesting. First of all, let's test out the editing feature. Basically, whenever you click on it or just click on edit, it will open the same thing, but I'm gonna click on edit, and inside the share section, as you can see, the photo editor will be opened up, and you're gonna have multiple options to edit this photo. For example, you can crop it, you can rotate it if you want to. You have this option here again. You also have the option to rotate the image in 90 degrees angles. You can also flip the image and more. And of course, whenever you're doing a change, you can click on save to be able to easily save your changes, and as I've said, you can flip the images upside down, whatever you want. You also have certain adjustments such as brightness, exposure, contrast, and more that you can change if you want. Highlights, shadows, saturation, warmth, tint, vignette, and sharpness. You also have certain filters that you can apply, for example, filters that are predefined by Microsoft. I think that is pretty interesting. And also we have markup, which will allow you to add certain notes or add certain highlights on your picture with different sections and different types of markers and so on. I think that is pretty interesting. For example, whenever you're sharing an image, you can highlight a text or anything like that. I think that is pretty interesting. And you can also reset the edit if you want, reset all edits performed on the image or save them. What you'll notice is that the edited image won't be saved replacing the old image. That is only an edit that will be made for sharing purposes. Also, I'm gonna click on share and let's check out the compress section. And here we can select how much we want to compress our image. Of course, depending on how much we're compressing it, the quality will be decreased. You can click on compress, then apply. You can see there the original size and also the compressed size. And of course, whenever you are doing a compression, you can no longer do it twice. As you can see, you receive the message compression is not possible. The file can't be compressed further as it has reached its maximum compression. So I think this is a pretty nice new feature and addition inside Windows 11, the ability to edit an image before sharing it, also compressing it before sharing it with apps, your phone, use nearby share, use certain emails, and so on. I think this is a great new feature that is hidden inside the latest beta channel build and also inside the latest Canary build. We also have a fix in this build related to the File Explorer. Microsoft fixed an issue causing File Explorer to be very slow to close for some insiders when closing using the X button. This may have also impacted the other title bar buttons. So this is now fixed. File Explorer is closing instantly when you're doing that. We also have a few known issues related to the start menu, but but those aren't new, so you can check those out on the official Microsoft blog post or in the article below if you're interested. So this is the latest build for the beta channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. I was Emmanuel from TechBased. Until next time, have a nice day.